This is the Premier
Take
Inn.
the next left onto Cramer
Solihull.
Lane, then turn left.
This is it now.
Take the next
got a
left, then your
beefeater.
destination will be on the right.
Here it is. Looks a bit like sort of ski resort.
Your destination is on the right.
So this is a standard double bedroom for Premier Inn. If you look over here, there's some coat pegs, so you can hang up your coats, which is quite nice in the winter when you've got loads of coats and things. Space for your bag to go here, and then you got a full length, well, almost full length mirror. Just check yourself out, and then into the bathroom. It's got everything you need. It's quite clean. It's got sink and taps, you can see, a shower with on the wall shower gel, and then you've got the shower fixtures there. There's only one towel there, so I'm hoping there's another towel somewhere else. Yeah, just down here, I think there's some extra towels. Few coat hangers here, extra pillows, a fan, but as it's only like 2 degrees outside at the moment, I doubt we'll be using that tonight. Some teas and coffees there. It's PG tips, you'll prefer that, won't you? Should I set these?
No, I don't like that.
Okay, and then we have the bed. I think it's just a standard double. I don't think it's king size by the looks of it, which Lenny Henry said they're king size beds, so there we go. 2 lights either side, and then if you come over to here, there's like a little tuck chair. Quite a lot of space here. And the TV's up here. Quite a nice sized TV, really. It's not too bad. Nice. A desk, if you so wish, need to work or sit at a desk. There is a desk here. Menus and things like electric heaters. It is actually really warm in here, considering how cold it is outside. Because when we arrived, there was actually it had snowed, and you can't see it now, but there was sleet. So we've got a view of the car park. That's the beefeater across there. So that's where we're going to eat later. And this is like on the fringes of Solihull, so you can see that it's fairly quiet in here. We went into the pub and it was very quiet, so this is it really. It's like standard Premier Inn room. Cheers.